Well, today we wrap up our transatlantic adventure, and we may have saved the best for last. Join us as we explore the streets and history of Le Havre.
If you've been watching this series, you'll remember that we've crossed the Atlantic and are now exploring coastal cities along the English Channel.
We're now in Normandy, France, and here's the port city of Le Havre. That name means the harbor, and this satellite view shows us where it's found on the coast. The city lies there on the right bank of the Seine River, and it serves as a large port for French shipping.
This city's strategic location has placed it in the center of many wars going back to the 1500s. The city was massively damaged in World War II, but thankfully, restoration work has brought it back. And we're glad to be here, walking its busy streets.
We called this episode The Tale of Two Cathedrals because the city's past and present is demonstrated in two landmark churches here. The first that we'll show you is the historic city cathedral that goes back to the 1500s. Remarkably, it survived the war years, still standing. Its construction began in the 16th century. Its style is Baroque, but unstable ground here kept builders from reaching the heights that they'd originally planned.
Now we're walking toward the second cathedral, and this one represents the city's modern post-war revival. Built in the decade that followed the city's wartime destruction, St. Joseph's Church was built to resemble a lantern, and it was imagined as a lighthouse at the heart of the city. Made of concrete in the modern brutalist style, the church is 100 meters tall and is visible from all directions. It's dedicated to the city residents who lost their lives in the war. And inside, it's stunning.
Well, this wraps up the episode and this series. Thanks for coming along with us on our memorable journey across the sea. We have more adventures coming up and hope you'll subscribe and join us. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.